Hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we set up our Ansible project and verified our connection to the target server. In this part, we will actually execute our first role, the common role. This role helps us prepare the server with basic setup steps that are usually required in most projects. Let's open the folder structure again. Inside the roles directory, we have a folder called common. This role is responsible for system-wide setup tasks, things like creating a deploy user and installing common packages. Inside the tasks folder, we have main YAML file that defines these actions. The first task ensures that the deploy user exists. And the second task installs essential base packages. Things like Git, curl and Python 3. Now, if we look at the site YAML playbook, you will see that it includes the common role. Under the play, bootstrap and deploy mini web stack. To run only this section, we will use the -tags common flag. This tells Ansible to execute just the common role and skip others for now. Let's run the playbook. For that, we use the command ansible-playbook -i inventory.ini, and we need to pass the playbook name here site.yaml, and we are using the tags --tags common. Let's execute this. You will see Ansible first gather facts from the host, then execute the ensure app user exists task, and finally install the base packages. If you rerun the playbook, everything should show as OK. Let's run the same playbook one more time. Let me clear the screen. Notice this time all tasks show as OK. That's one of the best parts of Ansible. It's idempotent, meaning it applies only what's needed and skips what's already in the desired state. So, whether you run it once or 10 times, your system always stays consistent. No duplication, no unnecessary changes. So that's it for part 2. We successfully executed our first Ansible role. In the next video, we will move on to setting up our application role and start deploying the actual app code. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more DevOps deep dives. Please note, captions are auto-generated but mostly accurate. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.